Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to work with GitHub. GitHub is a web-based version control and collaboration platform tool for software developer and software automation engineer. So who are working with the program, so they can upload the code and they can manage the version and all. Okay, it is available as of open source also, and for a business you have to pay and buy out if you want to make the repository as private. So if you're using open source, the repository should be public. Okay, so this is the website github.com. First of all, you have to sign up, pick your username, enter your email and password. So I have created already, so I'm directly logging in. The first thing is TechieQA and the password. So just yeah, once you create, once you log in, you will get a like dashboard page like this. So there is no repository at all. So there is two way to create a repository. So if you are already having a project in your local, you can directly push to GitHub, or you can create a repository here and clone it in local, then you can continue work with that repository. So first we'll see how to push your code which already you have in your local system. Okay, for example, uh, I have a code desktop. Okay, I don't have anything, so let me create my repo. Okay, just open that repo, cd, open the repo. There is no file, so if you see here, there is one file created, like folder created. Inside you have to create new folder or something. So from the command prompt, do touch sample.txt. Okay, this will be done already. Open with any tool. So we have something like test file from local machine. Okay, just save it. Okay, now I will tell you how to push this code, how to push this repository to remote machine. So once you have something in local, create new repository. That is something like first repo. So it will ask you repository name, first repo. So repository name, yeah, it's available. Keep it public. As of now, don't initialize anything. Just create repo. Okay, from here, so my repo. So whatever file in this, I have to push. Okay, so I can create one more file also, test.text. So vi text. From like this also I can edit test file. There are two files. Okay, so the first command I have to enter, I have to initiate the git init. So you can see initialized git, and then next I have to add all the files into stage. For that, git add put dot. So whatever file in the repo, everything will be added into staging. Okay, done. And there are okay, fine. So then you have to commit git commit -n. You have to give message first commit from local repository. Okay, now you have to, so once you create only you will get these commands here only. Okay, so no need to worry. Even we have like this, just git remote add origin your URL, it will be here. Okay, finally we have to push git push -u origin master. So whatever you are seeing in the command, like here you can enter. Yes. Okay, now the branch master setup to track remote branch master from origin. Now you just refresh this page. You can wait for the load. You can see two files here. Just click on the file, test file from local machine. Okay, the first repo is created. So for example, if you want to add some new file, touch test2.txt AI test2.txt, go to insert mode, test file 2 for update new file, just for verifying in GitHub. Okay, now git add, already we have added this two file, so you need to add only this new file. Git commit -n second commit for new file. Just do git push. Yeah, it's taking some time to push. Okay, so it pushed to master. So just refresh, you can see one more file. Yeah, see, second commit 20 seconds ago. So if you see commits, you can see the history of commit. Okay, I think you guys understood how to import your local repository file into remote. So maybe next tutorial I can tell you how to initialize remote repository to local. So we have seen local to remote. I will tell you how from remote to local how to take it. Okay guys, thank you. So if you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more videos of testing as well as DevOps. Thank you.